like it might be a camera of some sort.
Rip it out. Rip it out.
Huh?
But it didn't take multiple cameras. You got a camera on the bottom and on top.
Okay.
You got a connection to this.
Hold on.
Hold. Relax. You got a connection to the room behind you guys.
Okay, I'm gonna hold on this door. Okay.
Rifle. Move to the right. Look. I got door. Door, how long? Full right, hold up, move up. Give me one. Hands!
Okay, cover on that. In with you.
Around this door, it's with you. Right here. This door is with you. Those are cameras pointing down the hallway.
With you.
That corner. We're crawling back on the team to watch. Clear. Check under the bed.
Thompson,
I'm covering.
Watch these closets. Watch your back.
I got the.
You got it? Clear. Watch these closets. I'm gonna breach it.
Reach.
Move up.
K9 coming out.
Please, coming out.
K9 coming out. K9
Please,
coming
coming
out.
out.
Clear. Give me a SWAT guy.
Hey.
Where you at? Wait. There. Just hold on that. Hold on that. Hey, I need that other charge that's in the stairwell.
Yep. Gotcha.
Hey, second charge in the stairwell.
Hold. Where did those shots come from? Was that us? With you.
Kill your weapon light. Yep.
Everybody back out.
Back out. Everybody back out.
So that's our shooter, okay.
Okay, we got one suspect down, 419 inside. This is clear. This is clear.
Okay, what was the shots fired in here?
Well, they did an explosive bullet breach. It was Levi? Okay, it was Levi.
Everyone's good?
Oh,
Okay.
oh, it's Donald. Okay.
Hold this
Okay.
for everybody. Just be careful, you're stepping on probably. You may be stepping on something.
Okay.
Well, now it's a crime scene, so it's a crime scene.
Yes, and this appears to be cameras.
Do not have a broken window.
No, there's several rooms in here, Corey. You remember, window, right to the right, Corey. Right where that curtain is, right by the door.
Okay, stand by. We've got curtains open on a window that's not broken.
It's us. Corey, it's us. Tell us us.
Go ahead.
I'm up here in the room.
Go ahead, Todd.
Already done, it's right here.
Is it? Okay. They had security down at the elevator banks as well. You got it?
Copy that. Do you want me to send you a photo? You want me to do that over here right now? I've got his wallet.
Let me contact the hotel and get the elevators going.
Security's right here. They're right outside the door, Corey.
Okay.
I'd say that's pretty close. Affirmative, that's the wallet we have here, and the photo does match pretty closely with the suspect.
Didn't check in with anybody else?
That's correct, that's the info we got on the wallet, and we got on the back driver's license. Affirmative, it is our suspect, reading visual ID.
Are we hearing any more 434s or suspects in Mandalay that we've heard on the radio?
New York and
Possibly Aria?
New York was confirmed as no, and then there was a new one at Cedar.
So who's calling him in? Because this guy's been 419 for a minute. This guy's been 419 for a minute in here. So who's calling these in, I wonder?
He also has the green.
Somebody shoot him?
No, he's self-inflicted.
Window out.
You got wires.
Yeah, he has an intricate camera system set up out to this, so he knew when officers were coming down the hallway. New York, New York.
You guys see anything in here indicate two guys?
I see a guy switching guns, not reloading. Switching guns, we're not
I got
reloading.
one wallet,
Is there a note? Did he write something on that? There's that, and then there's a briefcase with a folder in here that I saw on the bed. I mean, we might want to pop that open just to see, or no? I don't know if you guys want to tell or not.
You can. What's our chance of us getting a dog? You have a 445 dog?
CP Levi.
I can get a 445 dog, but at this point, I'm not seeing anything 445 related. If we think that, if we have something, we can.
The other room over here, they said had a bag with some wires.
Let me go take a look at it.
We also, where did you see?
I saw she got checked from this room.
Okay.
I'm just looking for 445 type stuff right now, trying to see if there's...
Control Zebra 20. It looks like that name I gave you shares an address with the suspect. We can give you that address if we need to send units there. What is it? 1372? Yep. That's 1372 Babbling Brook Court, and that's Mesquite, Nevada. Babbling Brook Court. And that's going to be the same.